Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals x squared minus 4x plus 3 at the point where x is equal to 2. Ang una natin gagawin, kukunin muna natin yung point of tangency. Substitute lang natin. Dito, x squared minus 4x plus 3. So, yung x natin is equal to 2. So, it will become 2 square minus 4 times 2 plus 3. So, we have 4 minus 8 plus 3 negative 4 plus 3, and our y is negative 1. So our x is 2 and our y is negative 1. So this is now the point of tangency. Okay, so ang susunod natin na kukunin ay ang slope of the tangent line. So kunin muna natin yung derivative nito. So diretso na natin. So ang derivative nito ng x squared minus 4x plus 3, so x squared will become 2x and negative 4x will become negative 4. Ayan. So ito na yung kanyang derivative. So kunin natin yung kanyang slope. So ito ay nasa slope form equation. O since meron tayong x is equal to 2, substitute lang natin para makuha yung slope. So 2 times 2 minus 4. So 2 times 2 is 4 minus 4. So our slope is 0. Ayan. So ito yung kailangan natin na data. The point of tangency, which is 2 and negative 1, and slope, which is 0. So next ay gagamit na tayo ng point slope form para makuha na natin yung equation of the tangent line to the curve. Ayan. So ano ba yung point slope form? So yung y minus y sub 1 is equal to slope multiplied to x minus x sub 1. So yung data natin, meron tayong 2, negative 1, and then may slope tayo na 0. So ito yung x sub 1, y sub 1. Substitute lang natin. Yung y sub 1 natin ay negative 1, slope 0, and then x sub 1 na positive 2. Okay, so this will become, so negative times negative 1 is positive 1. So 0 yung slope. Pag i-multiply natin lahat yan, 0 na yan. Okay, so transpose positive 1 to the other side, it will become negative 1. So this is now the equation. So the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3 is y equals negative 1.